Hello everyone! Pag-usapan natin ang standard equation of parabola with vertex at any point dun sa ating Cartesian plane na HK. Kapag tinignan natin yung ating Cartesian plane, this curve, this is our parabola. And then yung vertex niya, this is the point kung saan nagbabago yung direction niya, which is at this point. Let this be our vertex V with the coordinates H and K, where yung H natin, ito yung X coordinate ng ating vertex at yung K naman, this is the y-coordinate of our vertex kasi this is a point. Ngayon na familiar na tayo sa kanyang drawing at sa vertex, then let us discuss the standard equation. Magkakaiba yung equation for each orientation kapag to the right, to the left, upwards, or downwards. Pero ang pattern na pwede nating makita sa kanya ay palaging magkasama yung y tsaka yung k. Kagaya dito, tapos dun sa pangatlo tsaka pang-apat natin na equation. Kasi yung k, again, that is the y-coordinate ng ating vertex. Tapos, palagi rin magkasama si x minus h dito, tsaka dun sa pangatlo and our fourth equation. Madali naman siyang alalahanin kasi yung h, yun yung x-coordinate ng vertex ng ating parabola. Tapos, yung operation between y and k, tsaka yung x minus h is always subtraction in all of the orientation. And another pattern na pwede nating tignan is that yung isang side ng ating equation involving a single variable, halimbawa, yung y, tapos yung x, this is always raised to 2, samantalang doon naman sa kabila, wala tayong exponent na 2, kaya plain lang na x minus h, o kaya naman y minus k. That is what's unique with the standard equation of parabola. Yung isa ay raised to 2, yung kabila naman ay raised to 1 lang. And another tip, para hindi tayo malito sa orientation, tignan lang natin yung variable na hindi naka-raise sa 2. Halimbawa, if our parabola is opening to the right, yung variable na walang exponent na 2 is x. Tapos, tignan natin yung sign ng katabi niya. We have our 4a, since this is positive, yung ating parabola is opening towards the positive x-axis. Ang positive x-axis is going towards the right. Tapos, kung titignan natin yung susunod, this is still x, ito yung hindi naka-raise sa 2, tapos kapag tinignan natin yung coefficient, this is negative. Kaya kapag ganito yung equation, we are opening towards the negative x-axis or towards our left. Applicable pa rin yung pattern sa pangatlo tsaka pang-apat na equation kasi y naman, yung hindi naka-raise sa 2, in this case, yung x natin ang merong exponent na 2, tapos, yung coefficient nito is positive. Kaya this is opening towards the positive y-axis. Ang positive y-axis ay pataas naman. Then lastly, we have our y here. And then negative yung coefficient niya. Kaya this is going towards the negative y-axis or downwards. Ito yung madaling paraan kapag given tayo ng standard equation kung paano natin malalaman yung orientation ng ating parabola. That is by looking dun sa variable na walang exponent na 2, x, or y, usually nasa right side ng equation, and then titignan natin yung coefficient if positive or negative. With that said, alamin naman natin yung points and lines na concern sa ating parabola. Ang susunod na importanteng variable para ma-plot natin yung other points ng parabola is yung a na nandito. Kasi yung a na to, this is the distance between our vertex and our focus. Ano yung focus? That is a fixed point na makikita natin kung saan nag-o-open yung ating parabola. For our first one, since this is opening to the right, ang focus natin is nasa right side ng ating vertex. So, this is our focus. Tapos, yung distansya between our vertex and focus, that is equal to a. Kaya importante yung a dito sa ating standard equation. Para makuha natin yung value ng ating focus when our parabola is opening to the right, dahil ang direction natin is towards the positive x-axis, magdadagdag tayo ng a unit dun sa x-coordinate ng ating vertex kasi the distance between our vertex and focus is just equal to a. Kaya dito tayo sa x-coordinate nagdagdag. Next, idodrawing naman natin yung ating principal axis. Ang principal axis, this is a line that is passing through our vertex and our focus. That is our yellow line. And then for our next point, kailangan natin kunin yung dalawang latus rectum natin. The distance of our latus rectum is always perpendicular dun sa principal axis. Kaya kung ang principal axis natin ay horizontal in this case, yung ating latus rectum is vertical naman. That is this point, yung tinamaan sa ating parabola, this is LR1, tapos yung sa baba, which is our LR2. Para makuha natin yung kanyang coordinate, Kung mapansin natin, ang reference point natin nanggaling tayo dito sa ating focus na F. Tapos, ang movement natin ay towards the positive y-axis and then towards the negative y-axis. Kaya magdadagdag naman tayo at magbabawas dun sa y-coordinate ng ating focus which is K. Kung ang distansya between our vertex and focus is A, ang distansya between our LR and focus is just 2A, pareho sa taas, tsaka dito sa baba, they are both 2A. Kaya galing sa ating focus na H plus A and then K, ang LR1 natin ay H plus AK plus 2A, tapos ang LR2 naman natin ay H plus A, tapos yung K naman natin ay babawasan natin ng 2A dahil pababa tayo. This is the process kung paano natin makukuha yung points ng ating parabola. Kapag nakuha na natin sila, pwede na natin siyang i-plot. Now let us use this dun sa ating unang example. We have our first example here. We have to find the standard equation of the parabola with the vertex at 1, -2, and focus at 1, 1. Then, ipa-plot natin yung kanyang graph. Para mas makita natin yung sinosolve natin, i-plot muna natin siya. Ang vertex natin ay na kay 1, -2. 1 kay x and then -2 kay y, kaya our vertex is at this point. This is our letter V. Ang coordinate niya ay 1, -2. Then, ang focus naman natin is at 1, 1, kaya we are at this point. This is our focus. Ang coordinate niya is 1 and then 1. Kung mapapansin natin, yung focus ay nasa taas ng ating vertex. That is why we can say na yung ating parabola is opening upwards. Kasi as we have discussed earlier, yung focus ay matatagpuan natin kung saan bumubuka yung ating parabola. Then the standard equation ng ating parabola that is opening upwards is x minus h squared is equal to, dahil going upwards, this is positive 4a, tapos this is y minus k. Then let us plot our given values. Our vertex again is at 1 and then -2. Tapos ang focus natin is at 1, 1. Kapag tinignan natin yung ating standard equation, yung h, ito yung x-coordinate nung vertex. While yung k, this is the y-coordinate nung vertex. Kaya given ang vertex na 1, -2, ang h natin is 1, ang k naman natin ay -2. Kaya sulat natin siya, ang h natin is 1, ang k naman natin, this is -2. Then, isubstitute na lang natin yung value ng h natin, which is 1, tsaka yung k natin na -2, dito sa ating standard equation. Kaya this will become x minus h, ang h natin is 1, kaya x minus 1 squared is equal to 4. Ang a hindi pa natin sinosolve, and then this is y minus, ang k natin is -2. Next, kailangan natin kuhanin yung ating a. Gaya ng pinag-usapan natin kanina, yung A natin, yun yung distansya sa pagitan ng ating vertex saka focus. Dito sa letter A na to sa ating Cartesian plane. Kung bibilangin natin mula kay 1, 1, pababa kay 1, -2, bumaba tayo ng 3 units. Simula dito 1, 2, tapos hanggang sa nakabalik tayo dito sa ating vertex. Dahil doon, ang value ng A natin is just equal to 3. Then, eto na lang yung isa-substitute natin dito. So, we have x minus 1 and then squared. This is equal to 4. Ang a natin is 3. Kaya this is 4 times 3. Tapos y minus -2. Or pwede mo siyang gawing y plus 2. Pero pareho lang naman siya. This is the standard equation of our parabola. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung standard equation. Kailangan na lang natin siyang i-plot. Kaso, kulang pa tayo ng 2 points, which is our latus rectum or LR. Para makuha natin siya, kailangan natin yung ating principal axis, and this is just a line that is passing through our focus and vertex, this yellow line. After this, makukuha natin yung orientation ng ating LR kasi palagi siyang perpendicular sa principal axis. Dahil patayo, vertical yung ating principal axis, ang LR natin ay matatagpuan natin vertically or pahiga, this green dotted line. And then para makuha natin yung distance niya, again, kung A, this is equal to 3, yung distance between our vertex and focus, ang pag-itan naman ng focus at LR, that is equal to 2A, sulat ko na lang dito, or simply 6. Kaya kailangan nating umusod sa ating positive x-axis, saka sa negative x-axis, galing sa focus na F para makuha natin yung ating latus rectum. Writing that down, we have our LR. Galing tayo sa focus na 1, 1. Ang movement natin ay sa positive x saka negative x-axis, kaya magdadagdag tayo sa x-coordinate ng ating focus. Ang idadagdag at ibabawas natin ay 6 kasi yun yung 2a, and then wala naman tayong movement sa ating y-axis, kaya this is still 1. Again, ang point of reference natin, ang pinanggalingan natin is focus with the coordinate 1, 1. Then, ang movement natin ay sa x-axis, kaya nagdagdag at nagbawas tayo ng 6 units, which is the 2a. Then, makukuha na natin yung dalawang LR. Ang LR1 natin is just equal to, yung positive muna, we have 1 plus 6. That is simply 7 and then 1. Tapos sa LR2 naman natin, ang gagamitin natin ay yung subtraction. So this is 1 minus 6. That is negative 5 and then 1. Again, para sa LR1, ginamit natin si addition. 1 plus 6, that is 7. Tapos para sa LR2, ginamit natin si subtraction. 1 minus 6, that is negative 5. Then plotting our points, ang LR1 natin ay nasa 7, 1. Kaya mailalagay natin yon dito sa point na to. This is our LR1. Tapos ang LR2 naman natin ay nakay negative 5, 1. Kaya that is at this point. This is our LR2. Then para makompleto natin yung parabola, let us just connect yung ating LR1 vertex at LR2. This is our parabola with the equation of x minus 1 squared is equal to 4 times 3 times y minus negative 2. Nakuha na natin yung standard equation tapos na-plot na natin yung graph ng ating parabola. Madali na naman kunin yung graph kapag nakarating na tayo sa standard equation, basta alam lang natin yung orientation ng ating parabola, tsaka alam natin yung pag-itan ni vertex at ni focus ay A, tapos yung pag-itan ng ating focus at ng ating dalawang LR ay 2A lang. With this, we can proceed with our second example. Given na tayo ng equation, ang kailangan na lang natin ay sketch yung graph ng ating parabola. We are given with y minus 4 squared is equal to 8 times x plus 2. Alamin muna natin yung kanyang orientation. Again, ang titignan natin ay yung variable na walang exponent na 2. Kaya hindi na tong y kasi andito si exponent na 2. Kaya ang concern natin is x. Tapos, tignan natin yung number na minultiply sa kanya, which is our 8. Ang sign nito is positive. Sulat natin dito, this is positive, tapos this is x, kaya we are going towards the positive x-axis, or simply that is just opening to the right. Ang equation ng parabola that is opening to the right, that is y minus k. Again, palaging kasama ni y si k, then squared, then this is equal to 4a times x minus h. Ang kasama naman ni x ay si h. This is the equation of our parabola that is opening to the right, towards positive x-axis. Ang goal na lang natin is i-transform yung ating given equation into this form. Dun sa left side natin, wala nang problema. This is y minus 4. Ang k natin is 4. Kaso nga lang, dito sa ating right side, this is 8. Gagawin natin siyang 4a. Tapos, addition yung operation, gagawin nating subtraction. Kaya doing that, we have our y minus k, y minus 4, and then squared. This is equal to, kailangan natin magkaroon ng 4. Kaya ang gagawin natin, yung coefficient natin na 8, I will be dividing it by 4. Kasi kapag ginawa natin yung operation, 4 divided by 4, this is just 1, babalik lang tayo dun sa given natin na 8. Then x minus h, this is x minus, dahil binago natin yung sign, from addition to subtraction, kukunin din natin yung opposite sign nito, this is positive, kaya we will be writing down negative 2. And then close natin siya. Then, simplify further para mapareho na natin sa standard equation. This is y minus 4 squared is equal to, retain natin si 4. 8 divided by 4 is just 2 times x minus negative 2. And this is our standard equation ng ating parabola that is opening to the right. Kung titignan natin, ang k natin is 4. Ang h natin is negative 2. Ang a natin. So, writing all of those values down, unahin ko muna si h. Ang h natin is at negative 2. Ang k natin is at positive 4. And then, ang a natin is just equal to 2. Tapos, kunin na rin natin yung 2a kasi kailangan natin siya sa ating LR. Kung ang a natin is 2, 2 times 2, our 2a is just 4. Then, umpisahan na natin yung parts ng ating parabola. Our vertex, that is hk. Ang h natin ay negative 2, ang k natin ay 4, kaya ang coordinates ng ating vertex ay nasa negative 2 and then 4. Kapag pinlot natin sa ating Cartesian plane, negative 2 and then 4, we are at this point. This is our vertex at negative 2 and then 4. Tapos, kukunin natin yung value ng ating focus na f. Again, dahil yung parabola natin is opening to the right, dapat yung focus ay nasa right side ng ating vertex. Going to the right, we are going towards the positive x-axis. Kaya ang gagalawin natin ay yung x-coordinate ng ating vertex. I-add natin yung value ng a, which is 2, kasi ang distance ng vertex at focus is just equal to a, which is, in this case, 2 nga. Kaya kapag sinulat natin yun, ang vertex natin ay nakay negative 2, plus a natin, which is 2, and then yung y-coordinate naman natin, wala tayong ginalaw, so this is still 4. Then simplifying, our focus is at negative 2 plus 2 is 0, and then 4. Ang 0, 4 natin ay nandito sa point na to. This is our focus. Ang coordinate niya ay 0, 4. Next, i-drawing naman natin yung ating principal axis, dumadaan siya sa ating vertex at sa ating focus. This is our yellow line. And then, para makuha natin yung LR, our latus rectum, yung distansya niya is always perpendicular sa ating principal axis. Kaya kung horizontal, pahiga yung ating principal axis, ang distansya ng ating LR ay vertical or patayo. Ngayong alam na natin yung orientation niya, ang ating movement ay towards positive y-axis tsaka negative y-axis. Ang distance between our focus and LR is just 2a. Kaya kung manggagaling tayo dito sa focus natin, which is 0, 4, we will be adding and subtracting dun sa y-coordinate ng ating focus, which is 4. Kaya ang LR natin, to compute it, kopyahin natin yung focus, this is 0, tapos yung 4 natin na y-coordinate ay dadagdag at babawasan natin ng 2a, in this case, 4. So we add and subtract 4 dito sa ating LR. Kaya kapag kinuha na natin yung dalawang values ng ating LR, kaya yung value ng ating unang LR, we have our LR1 is 0, tapos gamitin muna natin yung addition operation, so we have 4 plus 4, that is simply 8. Tapos yung LR2 naman natin, we use the subtraction, this is 0, and then 4 minus 4, that is just equal to 0, or babalik tayo sa ating origin. Ang ating LR1 ay nasa 0,8, ang ating LR2 ay nasa origin. Then kapag nilagay natin sila sa ating Cartesian plane, our LR1 at 0,8 ay nasa point na to, this is our LR1, tapos ang LR2 naman natin ay nasa origin, this is our LR2, then we can plot our parabola. Connecting LR1, vertex, and LR2. Finally, this is the parabola with the equation of y minus 4 squared is equal to 4 times 2 times x minus negative 2. This is our final answer. This is the process kung paano natin kukuhanin ang standard equation ng ating parabola from our first example, given yung ating vertex at focus, and then yung pagpa-plot niya, and then for our second example, given tayo ng equation, then we were able to plot yung ating parabola.